My name is Alex Foxman. I'm a board-certified internal medicine physician. I practice in Beverly Hills, California. My practice name is the Beverly Hills Institute and also Mobile Physician Associates, two separate practices. We provide primary care internal medicine services and also mobile medical care for those who can't get to their doctor. Since I started practicing 20 years ago, we've always had problems with earwax. We've tried different solutions. We've used irrigation with large devices before that were messy, water got everywhere, they're hard to set up. And when the OtoSet device came around, it was, for us, really a game changer for how we could very quickly clean people's ears. The training was essentially using some of my staff and myself and my family to test it out. It's a new device. Initially, we're very skeptical. We wanted to make sure that it was safe and effective and also painless. You could do one ear or both ears at the same time. The placement is very easy. The setup is very easy. And probably the whole process could take as little as 60 seconds. It's very efficient for us as well. When we have to move patients in and out of rooms quickly because of care, having a procedure that could be done in literally 30 to 60 seconds is really a game changer and allows us to be able to manage the patient and really have a immediate outcome. I would definitely recommend the OtoSet cleaning system. One is it is an extremely convenient and efficient way to clean the ears. It's safe, it's effective, and patients love it.